Sambikala ajining bangsa saka luhure negara. Yo. Selamat datang Neneng Puspitasari. Kalian Mas Vicky Dwi Cahyo.
Berarti ada sempurna dan DRR dan N itu
Neneng karo Mas Vicky.
Saya patah dulu.
Ya, aku jadi yang ngono lho.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan izin dalu sedaya rawuh kagem Bapak Ibu sedaya kemawon tamu undangan. Lan kelaturaken matur sembah nuwun kalih sami belajar Bapak Sukan kalih Ibu.
Ini.
Sampun dibalik puri budaya juga termasuk kita semua. Alhamdulillah matur sembah nuwun kita Bu. Mugi-mugi Bapak Ibu saya belajar tang sampingan murah rezeki panjang yuswanipun amin Allahumma
Amin ya robbal alamin. Jangan atas sama
baru atas banyak orang nih. Oh, nggak kula sajane semerang kakek Pak Eka.
Oh, dadakan juga ini ya. Nggih, Pak Kasut dulu. Mas Vicky dan juga Mbak Neneng.
Mas Vicky dan juga Mbak Neneng saya ucapkan selamat tahun baru, berbahagia selalu, menjadi keluarga yang sakinah mawaddah warahmah.
Amin ya robbal alamin. Ya, ya semoga
Mari kita berpikir yang soleh.
soleh dan solehah. Pintar itu cantik. Pokoknya tekon mireng Siti yang harus luar biasa. Ya, Allah. Ya, ujungnya ya orang tunjukkan kesaktian ya. Ya jatuh ke. Lah, iya. Kowe iki wis ngomong kuwi. Ngono ya.
Waktu dan kondisi.
Oh iya. Masa ini kan sampai dan repot ya.
Ya alhamdulillah. Ya roda repot-repot. Saya udah bagus.
Iya, monggo. Puri budaya Indonesia. Matur suwun, matur kangge. Ada Puri Ratna dari kawasan Mireng City. Pak Agus dari kawasan ini.
Ojo Pak Agus Jogor lho.
Ora,
Pak Agus Jogor.
Sinarengan lho.
Sinarengan.
Masuk. Yuk, diatur ke monggo. Puri Budaya bersama Jaya Audio Production.
Jadi ngaturaken nulis jare selamat malam kangge kula tamu undangan sedaya mawon. Ingkang sampun rawuh.
Mas Mo, kok cekek-cekekan nang pedal. Terima kasih. Wah, teman-teman saya kompak.
Kanca-kanca.
Kuabe kompak, Bro.
Sik dulu.
Iya, alhamdulillah puji syukur. Ayo diaturke ngaturaken panggung belakang kali itu Bapak Sutram.
Oke, matur nuwun. Sak derenge nggih, matur nuwun apa tuh?
Ya wis sembarang.
Sembarang, ya.
Ya, dua-dua itu baik dua.
Ya, beginilah akibat lama tidak
Jumpa.
bersaing.
Ya tak sama-sama ayu katanya ya.
Ya sampean yo bagus.
Niki ya tegane
Kayak
kambing
gatot
ijo.
kaca.
Gatot kaca.
Kocone tok nali.
Lah iya, gapite sing ilang. Ya,
Ngaturaken minujeng dalu kagem para tamu undangan ing
sa. Ngeranti Boyolakmu Tulung Agung. Apa to nunggu Pak? Woso mawis tulak balak ing sangkala. Yo. Dosang yayi akrake ana sasaji. Selamat besedo. Kanggo sopo kenira kabeh wong ana minta nugroho saking yati. Kalingan karo Pak Kuat tahu lah ini.
minujeng dalu Bapak Yuyanto nggih. Nggih, teman.
Janji prasetya Ansa kumang ngerengetno Ansa Asane priyo Mitro sajagat Parinono Bukir lan samudra Thank you. Masukkan jogetnya, kocok-kocok. Ayo. Dari sini.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Won't knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.